Hello, welcome to Schultz Lincoln. My name is Bill Wolf. I'm a sales and leasing consultant here at Schultz Lincoln, and today I'd like to go over a few points of the all-new 2020 Lincoln Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is all new for 2020, comes in several different trim levels, the standard, reserve, black label, and a grand touring trim level. The standard engine in the Aviator is a 6-liter twin-turbo 400 horsepower V6, and if you go with the grand touring version, it also has a plug-in hybrid option, adding 95 horsepower, bringing the total to 495 horsepower. Many different options on the Aviator, depending on which trim level you choose, including Lincoln Co-Pilot 360, which offers driver assistance, enhanced auto high beams, park assist, and many other features I'm sure you'll enjoy. Please visit us at schultzlincoln.com. You can start your shopping there. We can handle all your financing, bring out a vehicle to your home for a test drive or delivery, making it an effortless process for you, and you can schedule service as well if you're already a Lincoln owner. Please check us out at schultzlincoln.com.